The Roar of Majesty, an introduction to Niagara's grandeur, Niagara Falls, a true spectacle of nature. Immense power is on display here. Water thunders down with great force. Mist rises high, filling the air. It is a truly breathtaking sight. This place captures the imagination, nature's raw, untamed energy. Three distinct waterfalls combine their might. The Horseshoe Falls is the largest. Its magnificent curve is truly iconic. The American Falls stands proud and tall. Nearby, the Bridal Veil Falls is more delicate. Together, these three create Niagara, a magnificent, powerful water system, a true natural wonder of North America. So much water flows continuously. Every second, tons of water rush over. The sound it makes is like thunder, a constant deep rumble that never stops. This incredible roar is unforgettable. It speaks clearly of nature's immense force, a powerful, endless, captivating show. Visitors can feel its deep, vibrating rumble. For many centuries, this place has amazed. People from all over journey to witness it. Its sheer grandeur is legendary worldwide. It inspires deep awe and profound wonder. Many stories and ancient legends are born here, a place of incredible natural magic. It draws us irresistibly to its very edge, a true spectacle for all humankind. A silver screen star, Niagara in cinema and culture. Niagara Falls is also a movie star. Its natural beauty is incredibly dramatic. It is simply perfect for the big screens. Filmmakers truly love its awesome power. It adds a deep romance to many stories. It can also add a sense of great danger. A truly versatile and stunning location. A magnificent backdrop for countless tales. The famous film Niagara showed its allure. Marilyn Monroe stood before its might. Superman even flew spectacularly nearby. He bravely saved a young boy from the waters. These films used its grand and imposing scale. The falls itself almost became a character. Its powerful presence is always strongly felt, a natural star in its own right. Television shows also frequently visit this spot. Documentaries explore its many hidden secrets. It symbolizes so many different things: love, great adventure, and nature's wild might. Its iconic image is known across the world. A significant cultural icon it has become, its considerable fame spreads far and wide. A truly global and recognizable landmark. Why is it such a popular filming location? Its visual strength is simply immense. It seems to tell a compelling story itself, a dramatic story of power, of sheer beauty, of nature's wild and untamed spirit. This inherent quality makes it timeless. New stories will always continue to find it, a perfect and enduring cinematic partner. Echoes of history, tales and triumphs of the falls. These magnificent falls are truly ancient. They were carved slowly by ice and by water, formed over 12,000 long years ago. Indigenous peoples knew of its great power. They held this special place in great respect. For them, it was a sacred, spiritual site. Their ancient stories and legends echo here still. They were the very first guardians of this land. Some adventurous people sought great fame. They were often called daredevils for their feats. Annie Edson Taylor bravely went over the falls. Inside a wooden barrel, she miraculously survived. Others who tried were not nearly so lucky. The powerful falls always demand deep respect. Its raw power is completely unforgiving, a risky and incredibly dangerous challenge. Soon, curious tourists came in growing numbers. It quickly became a very popular honeymoon spot, symbolizing enduring love and hopeful new starts. Hotels and viewing paths were carefully built. People always wanted to be ever closer, to feel its magnificent cooling spray. Access was created for all to see its glory, a special journey for many loving couples. Humans also saw its incredible natural energy. Hydroelectric power was cleverly harnessed here. Large tunnels now divert some of the water. This important diversion helps to power our cities. A delicate balance must always be found between thoughtfully using and carefully preserving this truly great and valuable natural resource, protecting its future flow for all time. The Sensory Symphony, experiencing Niagara's power and preservation. Visiting Niagara is a complete immersion. You can immediately feel the cool mist. It gently and constantly touches your face. The incredible sound surrounds you completely. A constant, mighty, and deafening roar. Special boat trips go very, very close. Famous excursions like the Maid of the Mist. You clearly see the water's awesome fury. It makes you feel remarkably small, especially when faced with such immense power. A profound sense of awe washes over you. Great excitement, too, is strongly felt. The raw, natural energy is truly thrilling. You feel you can almost taste the water. A truly primal and unforgettable experience. Nature's full force viewed up close. We absolutely must protect this natural wonder. Slow erosion is a constant, hidden threat. The ancient rock gradually wears away. Pollution can seriously harm the pure water. The overall health of the river truly matters. It directly affects the entire local ecosystem. Our collective actions have a lasting impact. Careful, thoughtful stewardship is always needed. Great efforts are made to save this place. The United States and Canada work together. They jointly manage the powerful water flow. They protect the precious gorge and surrounding lands for all future generations to see and enjoy. This incredible natural masterpiece must endure. Its breathtaking beauty is a world treasure, a precious gift we must always cherish.